Bullish Uni value expectation is $8.12 to $18.65. Uniswap cost could likewise reach $25 soon. Bearish Uni cost expectation for 2022 is $3.51. In Uniswap cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Uni to break down the future development of the digital currency. Uniswap current market status. The cost of Uniswap is $5.82 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $102,072,009 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Uni has expanded by almost 0.9% as of now. Besides, Uniswap has a circling supply of 753,766,667 Uni. Uniswap exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, FTX, L-Bank. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, one of the completely decentralized trades. Uniswap is a decentralized trade convention existing on Ethereum. It outfits the Ethereum network with robotized market producers and consequently improves the simplicity of trading ERC20 tokens. Uni was sent off as an ERC20 token in 2020. Uniswap awards casting a ballot rights to the clients for taking part in the administration proposition of Uniswap. Uniswap stage empowers permissionless posting of ERC20 tokens. Any recorded ERC20 token gets its own trade-savvy agreement and liquidity pool on Uniswap. Clients can exchange ERC20 tokens effortlessly and can likewise add to the liquidity pool. Liquidity suppliers procure a 0.3% charge for adding to the pool. The cost of tokens on Uniswap, decided in light of the organic market of the tokens held up in the pool. Uniswap was sent off in November 2018, and the resulting overhauled cycles, V2 and V3, were sent off in 2020 and 2021 separately. Uniswap value forecast 2022. The falling wedge is a bullish cost design that addresses a tale about the market where bulls are getting ready for another push. A falling wedge design is bullish, despite the fact that it shows up after a negative pattern. The falling wedge design fills in as both a pattern function as a pattern inversion and a pattern continuation design. On the off chance that the falling wedge shows up in a downtrend, it's considered an inversion design. A falling wedge is a significant specialized development that flags that the revision, or solidification, has recently finished as the resources cost passed on the wedge to the potential gain. By and large, the continuation of the general pattern is occurring. Presently, Uniswap is in the scope of $5.82 assuming the example proceeds. The cost of Uni could arrive at the opposition levels of $6.12. $7 and $9.63. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Uni might tumble to $5.12. The diagrams show that Uniswap has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Uni could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $18.65. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Uniswap could fall to nearly $3.51, a negative sign. Uniswap value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Uniswap is displayed in the diagram underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Uni lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Uniswap is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, Uniswap cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Uni has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Uni whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the Uni is 46. This implies that Uniswap is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Uni might happen in the impending days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Uniswap value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Uniswap. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Uniswap. As of now, the ADX of Uni lies in the scope of 16.33, and in this way, it shows serious areas of strength for it. The above outline additionally addresses the overall unpredictability list of Uniswap. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Uni lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Uniswap is at 46 in this manner, affirming a potential purchase signal. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of Uni is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of Uni increments. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, Uni costs decline. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Uniswap could most likely accomplish $45 by 2023. Uniswap Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Uniswap could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Uni could mobilize to hit $65 by 2024. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. If Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 7 years, Uni would mobilize to hit $85. Uniswap Value Expectation 2026. If Uniswap supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Uni would mobilize to hit $105. Uniswap Value Forecast 2027. On the off chance that Uniswap supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Uni would energize to hit $125. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. Uniswap holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, Uni would hit $145 in 2028. Uniswap Value Expectation 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Uniswap, it would observe significant spikes. Uni could hit $165 by 2029. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the essential consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Uni for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Uniswap could hit $185 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in Uniswap network, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Uni. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Uniswap in 2022 is $18.65. Then again, the negative value expectation of Uniswap cost forecast for 2022 is $3.51. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the essential consideration token environment, the exhibition of Uni would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.92 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $25 assuming that the financial backers accept that Uni is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is the administration badge of Uniswap, a decentralized trade convention on Ethereum that works with the smooth trading of ERC20 tokens. Uni was sent off in 2020. 2. Where could you at any point buy Uniswap? Uniswap has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, FTX, LBank. 3. Will Uniswap come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Uniswap platform, Uniswap has a high chance of arriving